haven't been here in a while. What I've been up to, just life on, on with my regular day. So I said I was going to be consistent and I stopped. And the reason why it's so hard for me to be consistent with the videos is because I can't be consistent with the goals that I'm trying to set for myself. So I had to come on because I know at least if I came on, I would have the frame of mind of what it is I'm trying to focus on and work towards those goals. Now, so if anyone do not know who I am, this is Deb's journey. And in my journey, I'm trying to lose weight, get my house perfectly organized, and be more, certain things that I choose to do, I want to do. If I say that's what I want to do, that's what I want to do. Those things that I can control, I'm working on controlling them. You can't control a lot in this world, but there are things you can control, which we know how clean your house is and what you eat or choose not to eat. And things that you, the knowledge that you have. For as I'm trying to read more, study more about different things, and learn more about different things. So, and I want to start doing lookbooks. I was going to do lookbooks as I lose the weight, because that didn't happen. I couldn't really do the lookbooks, but I'm going to try to make a video every day, even if I'm not on point with my goal, just to talk and chat. And sometimes I realize and I forget. So I think what happens is, if I make the video, I think I will keep remembering that the problem is not the food, the problem is not the motivation, the problem is not the knowledge or the understanding of what I need to do to get my life to a certain point of A to B. The problem is to get my mind right, to get my mind in a way that I am able to do those things, to take out the bad habits and put in the good habits. So this is what I'm doing so far when it comes to my eating habits. The reason why I've been off for so long, because I had a bad sugar habit. If you look at my video, a couple of videos before this video, you will see how bad of a sugar habit I had. Very bad. I finally feel like I'm in control of the sugar habit. And when I say in control is I don't eat sugar. I choose to not eat sugar. And I stopped maybe 2 days ago, 3 days ago, eating bread. This week I picked up another habit, which I'm have to hurry up and lay that habit down, is cheese. I've been eating a lot of cheese, so we gotta get rid of that habit. After Sunday, I think, because there should be no more cheese, all the cheese should be gone. I should be, the habit should be starting next week. Also, the new habit I want to try for this week is not to eat after 7. I know if you don't eat after 7, you have a better chance of seeing a scale go down, or at least not going up. So that's my issue. I've been eating late, eating a couple of times a day. I stopped doing the OMAD. Why? I don't know, because it worked perfectly for me. Perfectly for me. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I've been doing. I make a schedule at night of what type of cleaning I want to do in the morning. I do 15 minutes in a day, and I do 15 minutes at night. Certain days I choose to do more. Today I did more because I clean out my closet, which was horrible. But after today, I should show you the projects that I do in my house. So those that like to see things like that, if you're watching, okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. Small projects. I feel like even the smallest project, like I was going over my nail polish, some of them was dried. I know you could do certain things to, bring it back to life, so to speak, or, put some, I think it's some type of alcohol or whatever inside, not alcohol, but something inside the nail polish to bring it back to new. That's okay. Just toss it, toss it, toss it. So that's why I'm working on my nail polishes. So when I do that, I would bring the nail polishes in front of the camera, and you can see me throw those things away. Paperwork is probably the only thing you won't see me do, but I will let you know I did paperwork for that day. Paperwork is horrible. But it's time to do paperwork again. It's time to do everything again. The house is coming along, but not to the point where I want it. Like, I want it perfectly organized. Whatever that means in my head, when I get there, I know that my house is perfectly organized. And when that happens, then I'll be satisfied. So, I hope everybody's doing well. For us, how much I weigh. You have to look at my last video, weight loss video, to find out how much I weigh, and you will know the number of that. I have not lost any more weight. I have lost, gain, but I'm still pretty much the same number. That's why I have not made no weight loss videos. So I'm just trying to go about my day and figure out how I'm going to do this. It's such a small percentage of people that actually successful when it comes to weight loss. Small, sadly, but it's still small. Even though you see so many YouTubers online and they, oh, I lost this, I lost weight and all that, it's still very small. So how can I be a part of that small percentage of people that was successful? I'm not giving up. I choose not to give up. I keep changing the different ways of how I'm trying to get there. But regardless, I'm not giving up. So, on that note, because we choose not to give up, we have an issue where we may get sad sometimes, down because we're not being successful. How do we keep our spirits up? How do we keep ourselves up and wanting to do this journey? I have a membership. I have not been there since I talked about it in a couple of videos behind. I don't even know if you can hear me now, but I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep trying, keep working. And honestly, I think I'm more addicted to the goal than the actually end of the goal. I think that's the problem. I'm so addicted to trying to lose weight than the actual part of losing the weight, and that's a problem. Because trying to lose weight is almost like you have something to think about, something to do, but once you lose the weight, then it's like you have to think about other things because you already got your goal. Yes, keep it off, but keeping it off is really not as hard as getting there. I believe. I've been there. As long as you don't get distracted, I believe it'll be easier to keep it off than lose all this weight to get to the goal. So hey. Anyway, I'm just relaxing, enjoying myself and doing whatever I need to do. So, I'll be back, Keep trying. Keep trying. Keep trying. That's all I can say. Don't give up. Don't give up. If you really want it, don't give up. I'll see you soon. So come back. I would love for you to just say hi. That is motivation for me. If you say hi, how are you? Or tell me how you doing. Tell me how you are doing with the goals you have set for yourself. That's motivation for me. A lot of times I watch those that is not doing as well as myself, and someone said watch those that actually are doing good. The problem with that is you always see the ending result. When you see the results or someone trying like myself, it seems like they never get nowhere. But what I have learned and understand, those that keep trying, they do sooner or later succeed. Even if you don't see it to the end, they get there. Just can't stop. Can't stop. So bye everyone. Nice talking to everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for coming. Bye.